trying to learn kanji? Click the link in the description to get a free ebook and study along with this lesson.
Hi everyone, welcome to Kanji Time. Today we are going to learn N3 kanjis. Yay! If you want to do the quiz first, please go to these times. Here. Then. This kanji means dangerous, fear, uneasy. The on reading for this kanji is ki, like in 危険, meaning danger. And the kun reading is abu or aya, as in 危うく, which means barely, almost. 危うく落ちるとこだった。Bam. This kanji means original, field, plain, wilderness. The on reading for this kanji is 原, like in 原理, meaning axiom and principle. And the kun reading is 原, like in 原宿, meaning 原宿. 原宿はファッションで有名な街です。原宿、原宿、かっこいい、かわいい。Then, this kanji means go, come, go to play, visit. The on reading for this kanji is 参, like in 参加する, meaning to join or participate. 明日旅行行くけど、来る？はいはい、参加します。参加する。And the kun reading is 参, like in お参り, which means visiting a shrine, temple to pray, visiting a grave. チュクチュクチュクチュク。Then, this kanji means anti, counter, counter for cloth, rice fields, to lean back. The on reading for this kanji is 反, 本, 他, like in 違反, meaning to offend against, violate. よーし、車が他にいないから、もっと早く走ろう。ブー！ピッピー、交通違反です。And the kun reading is 空, like in 反らす, meaning to lean back. 背中を反らす。よし、危ない。Then, this kanji means income, obtain, reap, store, collect. The on reading for this kanji is 収, like in 収入, meaning income. And the kun reading is おさ, like in 予算を収める, meaning to remain within budget. Quiz time! Say the reading of the following kanji. 違反、収入、危険、お参り、原宿。Now say the meaning of the following words. 反らす to lean back 予算を収める to remain within budget 原理 principle axiom 参加する to join participate 危うく barely almost. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching and see you next time. Bye bye. じゃあね。Is it really? Axiom. Axiom.
Yeah, it's.
It sounds like automatic.
Yeah.
Axiom. Axiom. 原宿行ってクレープ食べよう。